with the bedroom because we want that to be an oasis for Nikki. So is there anything we could do in there?
Well, we have a spa bathtub, but Nikki doesn't want to use all the hot water, so.
And that bathtub would be amazing because I know she gets a lot of lower back pain from carrying Liam around.
She does.
Okay, so I want you to head into the garage. I have somebody there that you're gonna meet. Her name is Katie. Our friends at GE Appliances have generously donated the GE Smart 50-gallon electric water heater with flexible capacity. GE's integrated electronic mixing valve, the first and only in the industry, mixes in cold water to accurately produce the exact temperature required, providing up to 60% more usable hot water. By using the high capacity setting, this unit can heat up and replenish hot water quickly, providing enough hot water for Nikki to take a spa-sized bath anytime.
Hey, are you Katie?
Hi, Chris.
Hi.
It's so great to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you so much for taking part in this.
Oh, absolutely. Listen, when GE Appliances learned about your family and your busy lifestyle, we knew we had the perfect solution with our flexible capacity smart electronic water heater. So in addition to the up to 60% more usable hot water, we also have a safety mechanism that not many water heaters have on the market today. So what it does is it manages and monitors the outlet temperature. So what you have programmed is what you're going to see coming out of your fixtures.
Oh, that's fantastic. Did you say it was a smart water heater?
I sure did, yes. That's actually one of our coolest features. This is one of our favorite products on the market today. So you can install the Smart HQ app on your phone and you can control your temperature, you can control your capacity settings. We offer energy saving vacation modes and a scheduling feature so you can control when you use energy. It also can tell you when your anode rod is about to deplete, how much tank you have left and how long it's going to take for it to recover.
The one thing I love too, the convenience of it being in a garage. I've had water heaters who have been in, second floors, and whenever there's a leak, it's mess.
So the industry today is 85% replacement. Purchases are happening quickly, and it's because of an unplanned failure in the home, which in some cases, as you mentioned, can cause damage. So at GE Appliances, we thought of that too. So on our product and on our Smart HQ app, if you ever see anode text illuminating, then it'll also display a fault code, and that means that it's nearing the end of its life.
That sounds easy enough. I think I can install that app on my phone.
Absolutely, let's go do it.
All right. Can't wait to make Nikki a bubble bath. This is going to be great.
Coming up, Nikki gets a soft place to land.